Hello everyone. Our today topic is direction. Before starting globe and map, we should always know directions on map. So let's start our topic direction today. To understand it, first I am going to draw one standing line and one sleeping line. All of you can also draw it in your copy to understand it. I have made arrows. Okay, let's see how we are going to understand direction. As we all know that there are four main directions. They are east, west, north and south. When we face on the both side, always the east will be on the right hand side. So we will write east on the right hand side. And when we face on the both side, the west will be on left hand side. Is it clear to everyone? East will always be on the right hand side. West will always be on the left hand side. Now there will be north and south. North will always be on the top. So let's write north. N-O-R-T-H, north. And at the bottom there is south. So is it clear to all of you? There are four directions. On the right hand side there is east. On the left hand side there is west. On the top there is north and on the bottom there is south. Always we should know that east will be indicated by E, west W, north N and south S. It means whenever on the map there is written E, it means it is east. And when it is written W, then it is west. And when it is written N, it means it is north. And when it is written S, it means it is south. So now we have studied about four main directions. Now next thing is subdirection. Students, subdirection is also very important when we study map and when we look at the globe also. So let's see how many subdirections are there. For that I am going to draw more lines between the direction and okay. Always we will start with on the north side. First we will see on the top. So there is north. So from the north when we will start, there is north and then here east. So between north and east there is northeast direction. It means between north and between east, the middle part of this is known as the northeast direction. This is the subdirection. Next one is, again I am telling you, we will always start with the bottom or with the top one. So at the top there is north. So north and west. So we will write north and west. So between north and between west there is northwest direction. Is it clear to all of you? Between north and east, this one is northeast. Between north and west there is northwest direction. Let us come to the bottom side. So as we have seen, at the top side we have taken north first. Same, we are going to take south from the bottom side first. So children, south and east. Between south direction and east direction, there is south east direction. First we are taking south and then east. The middle part of both of them is southeast. And south and west. Between south direction and west direction, the middle part of it is known as southwest direction. Is it clear to all of you? These are the sub directions. Let us revise it again. There are four directions. Main directions are they: east, west, north, south. East will always be when we will face on the map side or on the board side. Always it will be on the right hand side. So east on right, west on left, north on top, south on bottom. Except that we have studied about sub-directions. They are northeast, between north and east. Then north and between north and west there is northwest direction. Between south and east direction there is southeast direction. Between south and west there is southwest direction. It means there are four sub-direction: northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. I hope direction and sub-directions are clear to all of you. Thank you and have a nice day.